Hi, this is Chandrasekhar. Welcome to Machandra. Fifth chapter Arithmetic Progression Law, exercise 5.1, fourth problem. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write three more terms. First, 2, 4, 8, 16. 2, 4, 8, 16. Here, first term is A equal to 2. Next, common difference. Common difference. D equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. First of all, this is A1, A2, A3, A4. First of all, A2 minus A1. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 sub 2. Next, A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. A3 is 8 minus A2 is 4. 8 నుంచి 4 subtract చేస్తే 4. Next, A4 minus A3. A4 is 16 minus 8 equal to 8. Common differences are not same. Then common differences are not same. They are not in APs. Next, second problem. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Here first 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4. First term A1 equal to A equal to 2. Next, common difference. D equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. First of all, A2 minus A1. A2 means 5 by 2 minus A1 means 2, 2 by 1. 5 minus 2, 2 ja 4 by 2 equal to 5 నుంచి 4 subtract చేస్తే 1 by 2. Next, A3 minus A2. A3 means 3 by 1, 5 by 2 equal to 3 2 ja 6 minus 5 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Next, A4 minus A3. 7 by 2 minus 3 by 1 equal to 7. 3 2 ja 6 equal to 1 by 2. The common differences are in same. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనకు ఈక్వల్ గా ఉన్నాయి 1 by 2. నెక్స్ట్ 3 terms are this is A4. Next, A5 equal to 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Next, A6 7 by 2 7 plus 1 8 by 2. Next, 8 by 2 కు 1 by 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే A6 టర్మ్ వస్తుంది. 8 plus 1 equal to 9 by 2. Next, A7 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 10 by 2. Next 3 terms are 8 by 2, 9 by 2, 10 by 2. Next, third problem. Minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. First term A1 equal to A minus 1.2. Next common difference D equal to A2 minus A1, comma, A3 minus A2, comma, A4 minus A3. First of all, A2 minus A1. Here A2 minus 3.2 minus 1.2 minus 3.2 minus into minus plus 1.2. 3.2 నుంచి 1.2 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మైనస్ 2.0. నెక్స్ట్ A3 minus A2. A3 minus 5.2 minus A2 means minus 3.2 equal to minus 5.2 minus minus plus 3.2 equal to minus 2.0. Next A4 minus A3 equal to minus 7.2 minus 5.2 equal to minus 7.2 minus minus plus 5.2 equal to minus 2.0. Common difference are same. Next three terms are A4 A5 equal to A4 minus 7.2 plus minus 2.0 equal to minus 7.2 plus into minus minus 2.0 equal to 7 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే minus 9.2. Next A6 equal to minus 9.2 plus minus 2.0 equal to minus 9.2 plus into minus minus 2.0 equal to 9.2 కు 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే minus 11.2. Next A7 equal to minus 11.2 plus minus 2.0 equal to minus 11.2 plus into minus minus 2.0 equal to minus 13.2. Next three terms are minus 9.2 minus 11.2 minus 13.2. Next fourth problem minus 10 minus 6 minus 2 2. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4. First term A1 equal to A equal to minus 10. Common difference D equal to A2 minus A1, comma, A3 minus A2, comma, A4 minus A3. A2 mean next A2 minus A1 equal to minus 6 minus minus 10. Minus 6 plus into minus plus 10 equal to 4. Next A3 minus A2. A3 means minus 2 minus A2 means minus 6 equal to minus 2 minus into minus plus 6 equal to 6 నుంచి 2 subtract చేస్తే 4. Next A4 minus A3 equal to A4 means 2 minus A3 minus 2. 2 plus minus into minus plus 2 equal to 4. Common differences are same. Next three terms are A5 equal to 2 plus 4. 2 4 యాడ్ చేస్తే 6 F. Next A6 equal to 6 plus 4 equal to 6 plus 4 10. A7 equal to 10 plus 4 equal to 14. Next three terms are in AP is 6, 10, 14.